Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we are gonna look at how to change your password in Zangi. Now let us begin. Well, do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do it right now. The process is quite easy. Do note that we have also created a tutorial regarding that. Now let's simply look at how to change the password. Initially, what you guys need to do is simply go to settings. At the bottom right next to the friends icon, you can see a gear-like button like this. Click on it right now. Well, once you do that, you will be redirected to this page. Well, as you can see, there are lots of options. But right now, all you guys need to do is simply click on your profile right here. Click on it right now. And guys, once you do that, as you can see from here, you can share your number, change password, the thing we are looking for, or simply sign out. Right now, we want to change our password, so I'm simply gonna click on this second option right here. And that is it. All you guys need to do is enter your password and confirm password once again. Once everything's alright, simply hit on continue and just follow along the prompts. That way, you can change your password in Zangi. Well guys, that is it. If you guys found this video informative and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.